Imagine biting into a piece of chicken that's perfectly crispy on the outside, yet juicy and tender on the inside. The crunching sound echoes in your ears as the burst of flavors dances on your tongue. Crispy fried chicken wings and thighs, a culinary delight that's irresistible. Ready to recreate this culinary magic in your kitchen? Let's dive in. The secret to perfect crispy fried chicken lies in the ingredients and the process. We'll need succulent chicken wings and thighs, all-purpose flour for that golden crust, a mix of your favorite spices, and oil suited for air frying. With these ingredients ready, we're set to embark on our crispy fried chicken journey. First things first, let's get our chicken ready. Cleaning the chicken is essential. It's not just about hygiene, it also helps the spices penetrate better. Once cleaned, we move to marination. This step is the soul of our dish, infusing the chicken with flavors from our chosen spices. Take your time here. The longer it marinates, the better. Lastly, we coat our chicken with flour. This is the secret to that irresistible crunch. Now that our chicken is well marinated and coated, it's ready for the air fryer. The air fryer is our secret weapon for achieving that perfect crispy texture without the excess oil. Begin by preheating your air fryer, a crucial step often overlooked. Once heated, place your prepped chicken into the basket, ensuring they're not overcrowded. Now set the temperature and time. A higher temperature for a shorter duration is key for that golden, crunchy exterior. Air frying not only reduces unhealthy fats, but also retains the chicken's natural juiciness. And there you have it, perfectly crispy fried chicken wings and thighs, all thanks to your air fryer. The moment of truth has arrived. It's time to take a bite. You're met with a satisfying crunch, the exterior shattering to reveal juicy, tender meat within. Who knew that achieving perfect crispy fried chicken wings and thighs could be this simple? So go ahead, try this at home and let us know how it turns out. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.